It's time for another edition of Cooking with Vera, and today our recipe comes from Mary Bryant of Rochester, New York. She calls this cherry junk cake. Incredibly simple. In fact, it is so simple, we're gonna set a timer on it so you can see just how quick this comes together. It's these basic 4 ingredients: yellow cake mix, butter or vegan butter, cherry pie filling, and walnuts. Some cooking spray so you can spray your 9x13 pan. You'll need a couple of bowls, a couple of measuring cups, and a pastry blender. Ready? Let's get started. I'm gonna set that timer so you can see how quick this comes together. 1, 2, 3. Start. Yellow cake mix. And this is basically 1 stick of either butter, or in this case I'm using vegan butter. Pastry blender. So this is gonna end up looking a little bit crumbly. We're gonna spray our pan. We're gonna take 1 cup of this and we're gonna reserve it aside. Put that in there. This is the cake mix, and we are going to spread it into this 9x13. 439, would you look at that? This is coming together super quick. You're gonna spread it, and then you're going to tap it down and work it up the sides a little bit. 6 minutes, okay. Cherry pie filling. Look at these plum cherries. This is what I really want to do. But I won't, because it's for the cake. These are chopped walnuts. So it's half a cup of walnuts, a cup of the cake mix. All right, time check coming up at 8:30. And done. 9 minutes, 27 seconds to put the sucker together. We're gonna pop it in the oven at 350 for about 45 to 55 minutes. That last 10 minutes, just keep an eye on it. And if it's done at 45, pull it out. Cherry junk cake. 1 box yellow cake mix, 1 stick of butter or vegan butter, 2 cans of cherry pie filling, half cup of chopped walnuts. And this is what it looks like out of the oven.